Welcome to the 12 Apps of Christmas 2017. Most of us use a mobile device such as a smartphone or a tablet, but have you considered how you can use these devices to help with your learning or teaching? Mobile apps can help you do this. There are a huge number of them available in the app stores, and most of all, a lot of them are free. 12 Apps of Christmas will give you 12 useful app gifts starting the 1st of December. Each working day, a new app will be unlocked, just like opening an advent calendar. It's easy to get involved. Simply head over to GCU Learn Communities and search for GSBS 12 Apps of Christmas. Then self-enroll. You can even leave your comments and thoughts about the apps. Follow us on Twitter using hashtag GSBS12apps and join in on the 12 Apps of Christmas 2017.